How to change the subtitles text size, color, font style in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on accessibility. And scroll down, and in hearing section you can see the option subtitles and captioning. Now click on it and then click on style. Now here you can add a text style, the subtitle style. Now click on large text, classic text, outline text and create new style. Now here you can select your font style, size, color and these settings. So this is the way to change the subtitles text size, color, font style in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.